Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing off our new white color that we've got in. So this is by Fusion and it is called Paraffin White, and so it does have paraffin wax in it and apparently it's amazing. So we're going to give that a go. I do have a dress up party to go to tonight, so I thought why not do my makeup while trying out this new product as well. So I'm using a brand new sponge and the paraffin white. So far so good. It doesn't feel too heavy. And it doesn't feel like it's drying too much on my skin. Which I often feel that when you do use tag white and things for a full face of white, that it does kind of feel a bit pasty and like it kind of feels not like it's going to crack, but like it's a little bit thick. Okay, so that's probably the easiest white color I've ever had to apply on my face. Now, as you can see, there are like a few little areas that I have missed, which often happens with other white face paints as well. But what I have heard from this product, apparently you can go over the white again and it's not going to mess it up or move the bottom layer. So let's give that a go. So I'm just putting another layer of paraffin white on top of this. And it is so pigmented that it's just falling on top of that bottom layer. I really hope that it's looking as good on camera as it is in real life, because my face is white. It's white. Time to do the rest of my makeup and see how it works with the other products. So now I've finished my makeup and I'm ready to go to my party. So final verdict about Fusion White. So I'm pretty shook by this, to be honest. Like, my face is still super white. It hasn't faded at all. It feels really comfortable. It's not going to crack, even though I've done so many different layers as well. It's not going to crack. And yeah, I'm speechless. So of course you can buy the paraffin white from our web shop, which is www.bodyfxshop.com.